I'm very excited to show how we're productizing our vision and bringing our Primer for Partners strategy to life. Let's talk about integrations. Up until now, Primer has built and owned partner integrations. But now we're flipping that on its head. Our goal is to become the connectivity layer for the payments ecosystem. That means opening up our platform so anyone can build their own integration on Primer. When we set out to build Primer for Partners, we started completely from scratch, thinking first and foremost about what the best possible partner experience could look like. We want to enable you to own your integration in a way that you can still gain global reach, but without extra engineering investment. And so in true Primer fashion, we have not just built a no-code editor for partner integrations. You can actually onboard to Primer's platform without writing a single line of code. This means you don't have to invest development resources, as there is no new API or SDK to deal with. You can reuse your own public endpoints and can focus on what you do best. Merchants get more choice, partners get more growth, everyone wins. Let me show you how we are actually building this for partners to ensure we provide a lot of value with low lift, by jumping right into the heart of it, the integration builder. It is incredibly simple to build a complex integration with clicks, not code. This will be true not just for payment processing, but for any Primer product that is powered by third parties, including disputes, fraud checks, or even automation apps. Based on your own API reference, you can recreate the requests needed to perform the right actions and any other capability that you can build for. There is nothing holding you back. As soon as you have your account, you can get started right away. What you see here is actually dLocal's payment authorization request. And it is built with all the rules and data mapping to make sure that the request sent to dLocal is exactly what is expected by their existing API. To achieve this, any Primer data, like the payment data here, can be assigned to your request and configured accordingly, so that it's not just the right field and value that gets sent to you, but also the right format. We enable you to configure what data needs to be sent when on a very granular level. This way, you're in full control and are able to ensure that only valid requests are sent to your endpoints. To truly make it work end-to-end, we also need to tell the integration where the data should be sent to. Just copy and paste your endpoints into the request configuration. We know from experience that integrations are incredibly nuanced. And as you can see, we're giving you the tools to be as precise as you need to be. To complete the build, you also define the possible outcomes. In the case of an authorization attempt, simply describe how your API response looks like when a payment was processed successfully or when it was declined. With a convenient to use editor like this, it is now also incredibly easy for you to perform updates and provide a seamless experience for merchants. You're in control. You can add features as soon as they're available in your services, but you can also make API version upgrades without having to wait for merchants to do any work. Before publishing, both manual and automated tests help you get assurance that what you just built will work. Primer simulates real use cases, like authorizations, captures, refunds, and if any test doesn't have the expected outcome, you can see immediately, so you can make the right update quickly. Once tests pass, you can submit for review. Primer will perform a final check, and once approved, your integration goes live. With your integration now available to every current and future merchant on Primer, you have gained a valuable distribution channel, and merchants have gained easy access to your services. Once merchants start using your new integration, we're also giving your support team the right tools and the ability to drill down into integration logs to quickly identify what happened to any given request. Primer isn't a black box for merchants, and we're not a black box for partners either. Every time your integration is used, you get a record for debugging. Within the details, you can even see the exact request and response for any given transaction. If you then want to improve your integration, you can easily create an update, rerun tests, republish, and the new version rolls out instantly to all merchants. Now, of course, you also want to know how your integration is performing. From your dashboard, you can see exactly who is using your service, their activity, and a real-time pulse on performance, including data points such as top merchants by volume, authorization rates, latency, or failure rates. And we're about to take this even further with AI natively baked in to proactively surface trends and opportunities, like drops in traffic or performance shifts, so you can act fast and address any issues before they impact your merchants. Finally, and this is one key learning from working with many partners, Primer has the full picture. When merchants use more than one partner to process payments, you often lack visibility into how you're performing. That's why Primer is uniquely positioned to provide anonymized, competitive insights on payment recovery. If another provider recovers a payment that was declined, over time you will now have a signal for potential improvements on your side. This kind of data was invisible before. Now it's delivered straight to your dashboard. We're excited to be opening up Primer and giving all our partners, existing and new, control, faster growth, and the ability to deliver better outcomes for you and our mutual customers. Please get in touch if you want to learn more.